What's up guys, Stixx Picks here, back with the video. We are here on Thanksgiving Day. We are walking the flea market, and surprisingly enough, it's literally one of the best days to walk around this flea market. I didn't believe it myself, but my dad always likes going to this flea market, especially because everybody's there on Thanksgiving Day. And let's see what we find. I don't know what it is, I don't know why, but this place is always full on Thanksgiving Day. How much you on this?
30 bucks.
Do you know if it works?
No, my friend, it's home baby. This is the control, no cable, nothing.
How much you ask on the guitars?
20.
You see that shake? Good morning, man. How's it going?
Hey, how are you?
I'm all right.
Coming selling?
A little bit. We're selling a little bit over there. You got any video game stuff for the day?
I have it Xbox.
Oh, books? Oh, Xbox. I thought you said books. I like Xbox a little bit.
Yeah.
I'm more of a PlayStation guy myself.
Oh,
yeah.
I think I have it over there, but I don't know if it's
Oh, Harry Potter stuff.
Yeah.
Thank you, man. Happy Thanksgiving.
You too, thank you.
How much you asking on your PS4?
For you, 60. It's got 75 other people. Working good, so any problem.
How much you asking on the Wii?
For you, 50.
Would you be able to do 50 on the PS4?
55 for you, no problem. Just $5 for you.
I'll do that, I'll do that. Thank you, man, I appreciate it. I'll definitely be back around. I'm gonna drop this one off real quick. We found something at least, guys. Thank you. All right, we just paid 20 bucks on the PlayStation 3. Normally I wouldn't pay more than like 10 or 15 bucks on these, but I like those guys. Those are my friends, so I'll give them 20 bucks on it. Hopefully this thing works. If it doesn't work, I won't make any money. If it works though, I should be able to get 40 to 50 bucks on it, give or take. Put a controller and a cord with it, make it 60. How much you asking on the game?
$5.
You got any more video game stuff?
Nah, that's it.
Thank you, man. Thanks, sir. Not too bad of a buy. I never really buy NES games, but I think this isn't too bad of a game. $15, $20 sale, so I'll pay $5 on it. I was gonna be weird and say we take like $2 or $3 less, but I didn't. Whatever, we'll take it. All right, this is everything we brought out. Anything too crazy?
Over there.
We brought some decorations and stuff out. What's up?
Can't do exchange. Why not?
Give me 10 bucks about them. All right, the Easter decorations are sold. We were selling stuff like this for 20 bucks. I think we sold one of these for 20 bucks. I think it's gonna go for cheaper now. It's getting later in the day. We're just giving deals out here, guys.
I have it for 20 for you, I do 15 for you.
15.
And I just got it yesterday from San Francisco.
Do you have the cord for it?
If you find it there.
I hope you do. I need that cord, I think, still. There's one cable at least. It's not too bad.
Oh, okay.
How much in the earbuds too?
You can get it. Same deal.
Sweet. Thank you, man. I was hoping I could find this one.
You know what happened with the lucky nuts?
Yeah. All right, 15 bucks. Got this. I got a PS4 cord for my one I got earlier, and we got some earbuds as well. I always run out of those earbuds. Like I always lose them or something. So now we got an extra pair of earbuds. 15 bucks. Hopefully this thing works though. Dollar. Everything is $1. We are done here, guys. We have sold pretty much everything. We just did a nice dollar sale. I forgot to record as I was doing it, but we did a little dollar sale. We sold some makeup, we sold some clothing, we sold some decorations. And on top of that, some random things too.
Give me $2.
But I mean, we just sold some nice stuff. I saw a lot of nice like Easter and Christmas decorations. We sold some Laura Geller, some Bare Minerals, and some Crepe Erase items for $1. I don't know why he did it, but he just did it. What's up, man? You find anything cool today? It's like 9 o'clock, y'all. I'm gonna go and try and find something. I did actually find something. I found that PS2. It was like 8:30 when I found that PS2 for 15 bucks. We'll take that. That's really not a bad deal. What's up, man? Any video game stuff?
Nah.
Already gone, huh?
bottle. ¿Qué vale echar un poquito de nosotros, mira?
How much in the games?
The earrings? Oh, it's just all out here. Oh, okay. Thank you.
I only gave him $5 just because I need this for a guitar I already have. I've got one of the guitars with just the guitar in the box, and it's missing the game, so I put the game in there. It'll make it worth a bit more. Yeah, look how full it is, guys. This place is so full on Thanksgiving. Everybody's here. I didn't notice, but it says GameStop refurbished on the console. That's pretty cool. That should definitely mean this thing works. I don't know when it was refurbished, obviously, but GameStop refurbished should mean that it's really clean on the inside. Let's go make sure this is the right cord, and I'll go buy it if it is. It's not. I don't think so. No, it's not. I just barely missed it. I need one like slightly smaller.
Let me see. Let me see.
It looks just like that one, but it's gonna be like slightly smaller. Yeah, I just bought this thing today. I was hoping I could find the cords out here too. Appreciate you though, man. Unfortunately, that wasn't the right cable. I think I might have this one. Like I'm like 50-50 if I have this one, but I know I don't have this one connected to the TV, so I won't be able to test if it connects, but I can at least see if it turns on. And that's the end of today. We are now leaving the flea market. Personally, we spent about 120 bucks, give or take, maybe 110. And we bought stuff like this. It's like a $20 game. Paid $5. $15 game, give or take. Paid $5, but we're adding this to a guitar I already had. We paid 10 bucks on this. This is the keep. That's gonna take away a little of our profits, but. And then we have 3 PlayStations. We have a PlayStation 2, a PlayStation 3, and a PlayStation 4. And I think the PlayStation 4 should get us all of our money back. We should be able to get like an easy $100 cash just for that. And then on the PlayStation 2, I'm hopefully gonna be able to get 50 to 60 bucks. And then on the PlayStation 3, hopefully like 40 to 50, give or take. So hopefully, all in all said, we should at least double our money. That's just numbers. We haven't actually sold anything yet. And we're back at the warehouse. We're done with the flea market. It was not a bad day. It was hard as well because there's a lot of sellers, but there's also a lot of buyers. It was hard for me to find some stuff just because there's so many people. I got a couple things though. I'm not too mad. I should easily double my money. I haven't fully tested everything though, so we should still test everything to make sure. I still need a couple of the cords for like the PS2, I think.
Shout out to my old scale. I think there was like 39 bucks on Amazon a couple years ago, and it broke. It just stopped working on Chris, so we ordered another one. It's a timeless piece of machinery here. What it is, like freaking another 50 bucks, and probably sold well over $1 million on the last one. So
$1 million? No way.
I had to have in the last couple years.
No way. Did you guys really think you sold $1 million worth of merchandise just on this? The new one you got looks more expensive though.
It's not.
It's not? Oh, I thought it looked more expensive to me.
Yeah, it looks more, but it's not.
It's just like the 2023 model.
Yeah.
My stuff back here in this little pile has kind of dwindled down just because I've done a little whatnot recently. We will have another one, of course. I will have mine on the 6th, I think. I try and do 1 good show a month, maybe 2. We're gonna have stuff like this. I found this on my last flea market run. A bunch of 3DSs, regular DSs. Look at that, Paperboy, that's what I just found. We'll have some NESs. Check it out if you want. Links should be in the description down below. $1 star on literally everything I find, everything. And that's the end of the video. If you've watched this far, that means you've watched the whole thing. Thank you so much for that. Put a heart in the comments if you've made it this far, and peace out.